boys and girls. We're going to start on packet number 2, and it's going to be several videos so that each video is not too long. So on this one, we're going to do problems number 1 through 4. Okay, so on this one, the example that you have is adding using partial sums, where you add the ones, then you add the tens, and then you have where you add the hundreds. Now that's where you add parts of it, okay? But on number 1, it says Rodney has 147 songs on his MP3 player. Elaine has 212 songs on her MP3 player. So that's 100, okay? How many songs do they have all together? So if it says all together, remember that means add, okay? So instead of adding these all together, just adding it like you normal using the standard algorithm, I want you on this one, okay, to add this one using the expanded form, okay? So sometimes they'll say break apart, but on this one, okay, I'm going to write it out and then I want you to add it. So on number 1, expanded form would be 100 plus 40 plus 7. Then 212 would be 200 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, now we did this in packet number 1, so if you need to go back and look at that anchor chart and how I instructed you to do that, you can go back and look at that video as well, okay? Alright, now going to number 2. Alright, this is where we are adding using our partial sums. Okay, we did this in the first video. Alright, so on here, okay, remember how we did this, okay? I'm going to do part of it and then let you finish it. We're going to take we have ones, tens, and hundreds. So it already has part of it filled out for you. So you're going to take your ones place first. So it says you have 5 ones plus 6 ones. So what is 5 ones plus 6 ones? That is 11. So you would write 11. Okay? Then go to your tens place. Okay? So you have 7 tens plus 1 10 is, so 7 tens plus 1 10 is 8 tens. Okay? So 8 tens is 80. Okay? So that would be 80. Okay? Then let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and finish it. Okay? Then you go to your hundreds. Okay? You have 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds. So 2 hundreds plus 2 hundreds is 4 hundreds, which is, and you put it on the hundreds line, which is 4 hundreds. Okay, now you go ahead and add that together and get your final answer. Okay? Now, on number 3, a farm's new milk tank holds 185 more gallons than the old tank. The old tank holds 275 gallons. How many gallons does the new tank hold? Show your work. Ooh, let me turn my thing. Okay, there we go. All right. The new milk tank holds 185 more gallons than the old tank. Okay, so the old tank held 275 gallons. So that would be 275 plus 185. So now you can just add that together. Okay? Now, on number 4. Okay? Number 4. The sum of the equation. You have 68 plus 16. And you have blank tens and blank ones. Okay? So now, as I have told you before, if you have a problem like this, okay, do not try to add it this way. Okay? If I can get my little... Do not add it this way. You put it this way. Okay? So, if I had, okay, here's my ones, here's my tens. All you're doing, 8 plus 6 is 14. Write your 4, carry your 1. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Now, how many tens do I have? 8. How many ones do I have? 4. And then all you're going to do is mark your 8 on your tens and mark your 4 in your ones. Okay?